Good morning. I just got up and had a deep rest, and it's pretty chilly this side, so it was quite difficult to get out of bed. But we are gonna get the troops ready to go, pack a bag and get all dressed and make our way onto the mountain. So let's get after it. It is super bright in the kitchen. We need to get nice and hydrated, so I've got some icy cold water here. And we're gonna do some creatine and some electrolytes. I'm gonna put this all into a glass and we're gonna stay fasted while on the mountain. So these are all 0 calories. They just give me a bit of energy, and this stuff tastes so good that it's gonna also keep me sane. All right, good morning. We are off. So we're meeting the guys downstairs. It's Nanga, Justin, Ethan, my brother, and I. So we're a group of 5 dudes. And I've hydrated, I'm fasting this morning, but the plan is to do like a 2-hour mountain climb. It's gonna be very fresh and windy. And then make our way down to this little German deli for breakfast afterwards. So it's gonna be super good. But we've just landed on the floor that we need to be at. So let's go see where these guys are. Oh yeah, all the dudes, a whole line of dudes. Yeah, and also a guest appearance. I wasn't expecting that to be it, which is freaking awesome. Okay, I thought it was just gonna be the guys. Okay. Yeah, I thought it was just gonna be the guys on the group. So when I saw Dad, I was like, "Who's this boy?" Oh yeah. Oh good. Yeah, it's properly clearing up. It's actually so beautiful.
So you like I'm just saying that sometimes we enjoy the fruit of others' labor without even knowing it.
That's how I feel about plumbing.
Exactly.
And electricians and things.
What is that? That's new.
Where?
That lights clay colored area.
Is that not the castle?
It could be, yeah. But I'm just not used to seeing that.
It's now like yellow.
Yeah.
There's Nanga. There's Nanga Panga. There's my dad.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And then there's the dudes behind me.
Dad and the dudes.
Yeah.
I don't want it there. Not gonna check.
In the US they have jerky. And it's like covered in all this like powder and spice and stuff. It's nasty.
Thank you. No problem, man. Okay. Yeah. You all good Yeah.
Busy having some biltong. It's really fucking good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get moving. And biltong is like dehydrated beef. So it's got a lot of like fat, protein, and a bit of salt. It's very natural. It's a staple in South Africa. And it's so freaking good. They have like chili flavors, barbecue flavors, but normally we keep it plain. So we'll all have some biltong. We're gonna get moving, get hydrated, and we're gonna be heading out for breakfast down to that building there. In that building is a German deli. We're gonna serve some incredible warm hot food. So freaking excited about that. Yeah, good to be out here this morning. Yeah.
Matt Green brought the snacks. We have some mixed nuts. He's passing around the snacks. He's such a good man. But the guys rejected his nuts.
Yeah.
He just offered them and the guys rejected his nuts. But we are enjoying his nuts.
Yeah, making it up. We're making it up to the top road. And we've made it. So we are now on the top road. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. The Nanga's busy pointing to the stairwell over here. You can still keep going up, which is super sick. Yeah, I was about to say, Nanga's pretty surprised that there's actually like families and stuff here on the mountain this morning. There's like people running and cycling. There's families here with even like little kids, like 6-year-olds and stuff, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, it's absolutely stunning. It's absolutely stunning. Take a look behind me here. It's so beautiful. There's like this little spot.
Two wheels is my life. Not my life, but yeah. Whoa. Oh wow. I came up here the other morning and I actually saw a fish here. A goldfish. Goldfish. Yeah.
Yo, dude, I'm gonna have a freaking field day with color grading this footage. like by the end of it, dude, you're gonna look like you're in freaking John Wick 2. Yo. Yeah, dude, it's so fun.
Yeah, you see down here the ivy. Come take a swim, yeah, dude. Oh, never mind.
Explaining.
He was just explaining how he gets his clients to pretty much join EasyGrow. So from book to offer.
Like it's all built backwards.
Yeah, it's all built backwards. So he has like a yellow section where it's
and what are the data requirements and permission requirements of these kind of things, and it'll give you a bit of a background. And if it gives it to you in a long story, then often what I do is I say, please calculate the.
We are wrapping up shortly. We are in Deer Park. It's beautiful here. So in Deer Park, just talking about business and leads and ads and just helping customers and pretty cool conversations. And we're making our way down to a little German deli. We're going to be meeting up with a few more people. And I'm really excited for a coffee and grabbing like a mustard thing. I don't know if it's going to be like cold meat, like pastrami, like sliced beef, or if it's going to be more like a warm meal, because they also do breakfast there, like hot breakfasts. So I might also do like egg and sausage and stuff and just douse it in mustard and grab like a nice coffee. But super stoked as we're meeting some more people there and we're wrapping up this beautiful morning hike. It's just been such a gem so far. Some good conversations and things. Awesome. Just finished up and we're about to make a breakfast decision. So some of the guys are splitting and we're gonna go and grab some breakfast now. But yeah, it was about like 2 hours and a half, so pretty awesome hike, and we're gonna meet some guys there, grab some good food. Let's freaking do this. Irish gay guys.
Patrick Fitzgerald and Jill. It's perfect.
And how do you know these two gay Irish guys?
No, but you get the joke.
I do.
Patrick Fitzgerald and Jill.
on a normal row and 3 o'clock. Yes. Thank you.
And for my people in America, it worked out to 129 Rand. So that's about, I would say $7. $7, and it's going to come with beef sausage, 3 eggs, grilled tomato, some chips, and some rolls. I normally stay away from carbs, but I do have a big race tomorrow. So I'm going to eat my dad's chips and bread and just carb a load a bit. I'm getting my brother a coffee now. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. My brother just told me that he loves being fit and healthy.
No, I said I fucking love being fit.
We're gonna have to beep that. Yeah, Matthew Green is gonna be. Keep going straight. Matthew Green's gonna be dropping me. We're gonna get this video all edited, but we had a super wholesome morning. Thank goodness it didn't rain. It was like a beautiful weather, nice and cloudy and like misty and foggy. And we tried some good food, some like beef sausage and eggs, some coffee and stuff. And now I'm gonna get back and edit. And Matt and my dad are gonna go do a belated birthday shop because it was his 25th on Wednesday. So him and my dad are gonna go and do like a shop and find some like outdoor gear and stuff. Sweet. Whoa. But yeah, on the way home, and gonna get this video edited and maybe just chat to you guys a bit as well. It's been a busy morning. Just landed at home, and my brother is now leaving to go do his birthday shop with my dad. So I've got the house for myself. I'm gonna do a little bit of editing and most importantly a bit of resting. Got a big race tomorrow, and I know that my legs are gonna need a little bit of rest. And later my girlfriend is coming over. We're gonna cook a huge pasta and just enjoy that and catch an early night. But I need to make sure to just clean the house a bit. It's in a bit of a mess, and we've got some dishes and stuff. And then I need to go down to the castle to pick up our race numbers. But yeah, it's been freaking awesome just having you be a part of my day, and it's really great to have you here. And I wanted to just share a little bit about what a day in the life is like. Sure, it's not really a work day. I'm doing a bit of content. I'm messaging a few followers. I'm helping some guys where I can, but I don't have any client calls today. Those are mostly during the week. Yeah, sure, just landing. It's been a busy morning. It's been non-stop and I'm feeling it a bit. So I'm gonna brew up a coffee, start getting some motion, start getting some things going again. But it's just been such a beautiful journey. It's been such a beautiful journey. It's just like moving out and growing up, learning a lot, helping people, and connecting more with my brother, my dad, and my friends and my girlfriend, and just thinking a lot more about my purpose and getting closer to God, and getting closer to servitude and becoming someone who serves and shows up and helps other people as much as I can, and trying to be more like Jesus, and trying to humble myself, you know, getting rid of the ego and approaching people with heart to heart. And this is something that I've been realizing on Instagram as well, because I'll message people and sometimes they will just shut off, like they'll ignore me, or they'll pull away, or they'll leave me on scene. And I get it, you know, there's probably like their own reason. I know life gets busy, but I think a deeper part of it is I was making this mistake of approaching the conversation as if I'm an authority rather than an equal. And sure, I know a lot about health. I'm lean, I'm fit, I have a strong metabolism, I eat good food, and I've got really healthy lab works and all of that. But that aside, it's one person talking to another, and I've been getting a bit better and trying to be more intentional around approaching every single conversation in Instagram as if it's just one person connecting to another person. But yeah, it's been freaking awesome having you be a part of my day. I hope that you took something from this video. If you want to get some free Holy Health guides, that's in the description of this video. I've got a bit of a newsletter that you can join where I share like my favorite supplements, my favorite way to fast, how to train, some of my favorite foods. But if you want to work directly with me and you want to hear a bit more about the Holy Health offer and how we've been helping Christian dads get off of medications, shred weight, pack on muscle, and build what we call metabolic freedom, which is being off of medications and being able to eat good food and get results, then you can apply for a bit of a health map call, and we'll connect for 10 minutes and see if we are fit to help you. It's very dependent on the medications that you're on and the dosages you're on and how long you've been a diabetic for. But if you've been a diabetic for less than, I would say less than 10 years, there is a very, very high likelihood that we are going to be able to help you reverse that in 90 days. But if you've been longer than 10 years, it might take up to 6 months. But yeah, we really have been just enjoying the process of building this business, of helping people, of getting results for other dads, of connecting to people and understanding their pain. But yeah, it's just been a beautiful journey, and it's been a journey of also submitting to God and letting him control the weather and letting him be the captain of the ship. And every time that he's like, Ben, move the sails this way, or Ben, get me a drink, get me some food, like I'm there to just show up and be God's right-hand man and help him do as much as he can for me and not letting God get in the way of my blessings. Because I feel like a lot of people do that. It's like they try to have control, and by having too much control, you interrupt God's ability to give you blessings. But at the same time, when you have zero structure and you have no control, that's when the devil becomes your captain. So really, really been enjoying like building systems and building deliverables for my clients. We've built like roadmaps and trackers, like blood sugar trackers, meal plan trackers, weightlifting schedules, supplement stacks. We help them build their fasting routine. So a lot of it is done for you, because a lot of dads I know don't have the time to do all these things. And we're also experimenting a bit with the pricing. Yeah, and we might even launch a Father's Day discount, which I think would be freaking awesome. Or maybe a price increase, I'm not sure yet. But if you do want to hear more about that and you want to connect with me one-on-one, it's going to be in the description of this video. But God bless you, have a beautiful weekend, and I've got to get to it. I'm going to do a bit of cleaning, I'm going to do a bit of things, and then most importantly I need to pick up my race number. So yeah, I know that I'm also going to be filming that. I'm going to film picking up my race number. I'm going to film like me and my girlfriend like cooking the food and getting ready for the race, running the race and all the things. So if you want to see that video, I'll probably have that up maybe later this week, we'll see. But God bless you, thank you for being a part of this video and for staying around. And it's been really great connecting with you and letting you into the journey. God bless you, and goodbye for now. Stay blessed.